Greetings everyone. Today I'm going to make some vegan loaf. And here I have two large mushroom portabello caps. They're chopped. I have diced up onion, some green pepper, okay, some diced red rose, organic potatoes, plum tomato, fresh, organic parsley. So here's the mushrooms, green peppers, onions. So once the mushrooms and everything, let the water evaporate, then we're going to add fresh parsley, and we're going to add some cilantro. And we're going to add all that into the blender with everything as dry as possible, because we don't want a loose meatloaf. So I'm going to go blend this up a little. Okay, this is the vegan loaf. I'm about to put it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. What I'm going to do in the meantime, go ahead and make some mushroom gravy to go along with the vegan loaf. Be right back with you. Okay, this is the result of the vegan loaf. It's very tasty. And the mushroom gravy, I've made a broth. I've added like a cup of water to a saucepan, half of an onion, just salt, added some pepper, cayenne pepper, some sage, and just let it boil. Then I added a little spelt flour to give it thick consistency. And I sprinkled some thyme, fresh thyme. Just give it a try. It's very, very delicious, very tasty. See how well it holds together? Thank you. Please share, like, subscribe to this channel for future vegan meals. Peace of vegan love.